Hey everybody, Lance from datatraders.com here. Got a new sign right behind me. Up there. The mirror, I gotta point that way. Anyway, in this video, I want to go over how I'm tracking my results. I look at three different things that I'm tracking. One is SPY, looking at the year-to-date returns. Two is by the way, my dog's in the way. Two is the liquidating account value. And three is a realized close trade. So I'll go over how I cover that. Let's share the screen. All right, so first, I'm going to look at my net lick. And it's hidden, but it's also privacy mode. Just double check what the actual amount is. And right now, my net lick is at, it's the 8 and change, I think. So right now, my net lick is at 68192. So I'm going to go on my spreadsheet. And then under features, profits, actually year to date, let me see. So features stats, actually under features results. So net lick is 68191. I'm going to compare that to the original net lick that I started with for the year. I'm going to subtract it. Subtract it from 59421. That's what I started with. So net profits is 8770 divided by the original number, 59421, and at a 14.7% return for the year. So I'm going to leave that on the net lick column. 14.7. Looking good. Next on the SPY percent, I just type in SPY ETF on Google. And then year to date, 17.5%. 17.5. Now the realized one's a little trickier. For realized trades, I'm going to look at futures profit. I've been doing a running tab of realized profits that I've gained and lost, at 9114. I'm going to add this week. This week was a really good week. So this week I have all of these closed trades. I'm going to just add them all up. 31.5, 47.5, 40, 40, 1230 on a ES safeguard. 20, 5, and 148.75. The 2162.75 was just the net realized from just this week. Pretty decent week. Could do better, right? 9114.75 plus that is the running total. 11227.5. Back to futures results. I'm going to take that number, divide by the original net lick, 59421, and 18.9% on realized closed. That's how I figure out my returns on net lick realized. Usually these end up, the net lick and realized end up realizing pretty close to each other. And so far looking pretty close to SPY. SPY has been on an absolute tear this year at 17.5%. I'm perfectly happy with the returns I have. Another thing I look at for just random stats. Current net lick was 68180. I look at my delta, delta and theta, approximate amount of money I can make from theta. I take my theta number, divide by 4, because you get about 0.25% of it per day, and then times 30. I'm a little low on these because I'm going on vacation soon, but theta's at 120. 120 divided by 4 times 30. It's only at 900 here. 900 might be the approximate amount of theta decay amount I get. Then I just do this column divided by the net lick column. I'm going to do 900 divided by 68180. Then I'm at 0.13. It's a little low. I like to use around 0.2 on this. Throughout the year, I've been mostly near 0.2, but I'm okay being at lower on vacation. Delta 67. Buying power is right at 40. And just a little note. Low for vacation. So this is how I go over the trades and how I'm looking at my results compared to others. And my Penny Pennerton Magoo right here is my big helper, and she's always wanting more attention. And she doesn't want me to be typing in numbers all day. Do you? No. I know you want me to pet you, so I'm going to pet you more. Looks like our partner here is making me leave. So if you have any questions, let me know, and have the rest of the weekend.